Greetings, fellow nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of reptilian predators. Get ready to witness an enthralling battle between the sleek and cunning snakes and the agile and crafty lizards. In this episode of Nature's Showdown, we'll uncover the truth about who truly reigns as the slipperiest predator in the hunt. The snake's stealthy approach. Our first contender is the mesmerizing snake, a symbol of stealth and precision. These legless wonders have evolved unique hunting strategies that allow them to strike with lightning-fast accuracy. First tactic: camouflage and ambush. Snakes are masters of disguise, using their cryptic coloration to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. They lie in wait for their unsuspecting prey to come close, then unleash a lightning-quick strike to secure their meal. Second tactic: venomous advantage. Many snakes possess potent venom that aids in both immobilizing their prey and digesting it. This toxic arsenal, combined with their keen senses, makes snakes formidable predators in the wild. The lizard's nimble tactics. Now let's shift our focus to the agile and resourceful lizards. These creatures showcase a wide range of hunting techniques that showcase their adaptability. First tactic: lightning-fast strikes. Lizards may not have the length of a snake, but they compensate with bursts of speed and agility. They're known for their ability to pounce on insects and small prey with incredible accuracy. Second tactic: tail autotomy. Lizards have another trick up their sleeves: the ability to shed their tails to escape predators or distract them. This incredible tactic keeps them one step ahead in the game of survival. Snakes versus lizards. In this riveting face-off, we've explored the stealthy strategies of snakes and the nimble tactics of lizards. Each has its own unique approach to hunting, demonstrating the incredible diversity of strategies that reptiles have developed. And there you have it, an eye-opening glimpse into the world of slippery predators. Snakes and lizards both bring their A-game to the hunt, showcasing their evolutionary adaptations that make them true contenders in the wild. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wild world of nature.